Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the GPU model and the currently installed driver. This avoids mismatches. Once done, download the exact Nvidia package. Pick standard versus DCH deliberately because Windows handles them differently. Make a system restore point and disable overclocks or custom profiles so the installer runs cleanly. You should also close background apps, especially overlays and third-party GPU tools. When the installer is ready, run it as administrator and choose Custom Install to get control over which components are applied. You now perform the key execution steps using the installer UI. Select Custom Install and check Perform Clean Installation to remove remnants of old drivers. That minimizes conflicts. Let the installer complete each phase and allow any reboots it requests. Interrupting it can corrupt the driver state. Decide whether to install FiZ X, Nvidia HD Audio, or GeForce Experience. Omit extras when troubleshooting. Once installation finishes, verify in Device Manager or Nvidia SMI that the driver version matches what you downloaded. You finish by validating stability. Run a brief game or benchmark and watch temperatures and artifacting. If things go wrong, first roll back the driver in Device Manager. If that fails, boot safe mode and run display driver uninstaller to remove all traces before reinstalling. Make sure to reinstall the exact package you tested and reapply overclocks slowly to catch instability early. Keep a copy of the working driver installer and a system restore point so you can revert quickly if future updates break your system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.